Hey there, today we're going to look at how to fix line thickness not showing in AutoCAD. So let's get started. First, check your drawing where different line weights are already assigned, but they all appear the same on screen. Over here, go to the bottom bar of AutoCAD interface and look for the Show Hide Line Weight button. After that, identify the icon that looks like lines with different thickness and click it to enable line weight display. Then, if the icon is not visible, go to the bottom right menu bar and find the line weight option. Over here, enable the line weight option so the Show Hide Line Weight button appears on the bottom bar. After that, click the command line and type LW display, then press enter to open the setting. Then enter value 1 and press enter again to turn on line weight display properly. Over here, check your drawing again and you will now clearly see different line thickness in your AutoCAD project. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.